Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Update your iPhone or iPad and connect it to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID in settings and that iMessage is enabled. Once done, check that date and time are set to automatic because time drift can block activation. If you have a Mac, sign into Messages with the same Apple ID. These steps create the secure foundation that iMessage needs to register and deliver messages over Wi-Fi. Next, enable and configure iMessage so your accounts route correctly over Wi-Fi. You go to Settings, open Messages, and toggle iMessage on, then tap Send and Receive and select the phone and email entries you want reachable. Make sure Start New Conversations from is set to the preferred identity. If you use an iPhone with a Mac, enable text message forwarding so SMS and iMessage sync. These steps determine how messages are addressed and ensure continuity. To complete setup, restart your device and confirm iMessage shows as activated in settings. Allow a few minutes for Apple's servers to register. Make sure Wi-Fi calling or VPNs aren't interfering. Disable them temporarily to test. If messages still fail, reset network settings to refresh DHCP and DNS assignments, then rejoin Wi-Fi. One key troubleshooting tip. Before complex fixes, check Apple's system status for iMessage outages. If it's a service problem, wait rather than changing settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.